I'd never been to Prince William Sound. I'd never spent much time on a boat. But I found myself immersed in a world of unexpected teachers, on a journey of epic proportions. In this place where life flourishes in deserts of ice, and nature wields her power with brutal indifference, I began questioning everything I knew to be true. To a man like me, accustomed to mastery, this place of natural mystery is humbling. The world I left behind held certainty. Here, the only constant is change. Join my fall into an accidental quest for enlightenment.